Hello dear student, welcome to my new video here Uraj from EV Talk channel. Dear student, this is my fourth video on this social science multiple choice questions topic. So already I have uploaded three videos on this topic. You can also watch those video. I have given a link in my description box. Just you go and click on that link and you'll get all those three videos. But dear students, most important thing is that watch this video till the end because here I'm going to discuss with you some of the important questions for your upcoming exam. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Through the subscribe my EV Talk channel, you will get more than 195 plus videos about English grammar, spoken English, and social science. Now let's move on the question, students. See there, the first question is on your screen. The first question is like this, student. The main reason for political instability in Kodagu against British was. The question is like this. The main reason for political instability in Kodagu against British was. The options are like this. Option A, dethroning of Chikkavi Rajendra. Option B, arrest of Swami Aparampara. Option C, hanging of Puttabasappa. Option 4, see there, option 4 is the government formed by rebels. Okay, here they given the 4 option. Which is the right answer? You have any guess? See there, the right answer is like this. The right answer is option A, dethroning of Chikkavi Rajendra. So you have learnt in your lesson also. So after they have dethroning the Chikkavi Rajendra, the political instability created in Kodagu. Okay. Now let's move on the second question. The second question is Professor M.D. Nanjunda Swami led this movement. Maybe you heard the name of M.D. Nanjunda Swami. It's one of the famous name. Okay. Then for which movement he was led? You have any guess? See there, the options are there. The option A, environmental movement. Option B, labor movement. Option C, farmers movement. Option D, alcohol prohibition movement. Okay, here 4 options are there, student. So which movement MD Nanjundaswamy was led? See there, the right answer is, you have any guess? The right answer is, student, farmers movement. Okay, option C, farmers movement is the right answer. Okay students, option C, farmers movement is the right answer. So another thing, students, last time also I told you, so maximum students comment me and told me that sir, please make a video lesson wise about these questions. So I'm working on that only. So soon I'm going to upload the videos by lesson wise. Okay, should wait little because it's a little work is there on that topic, because each lesson you have divided the questions. So because of that it's taking some time. So definitely I will upload the questions lesson wise. Should be wait and see. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on the next question. The third question is, by the end of summer season, central India develops. Okay, what it develops? Option A, see there, option A, high pressure area. Option B, low pressure area. Option C, high temperature and high pressure area. Option D, low temperature and low pressure area. So by the end of the summer season, central India develops what? Here they given the 4 options: high pressure area, low pressure area, high temperature and high pressure area, low temperature and low pressure area. The right answer is, you have any guess? The right answer is, student, option B, low pressure area. Okay, option E, low pressure area is the right answer. Now let's move on the next question. The next question is, the chairman of National Consumer Protection Council is. Okay, the chairman of National Consumer Protection Council is option A, president. Option B, vice president. Option C, prime minister. Option D, central consumer affairs minister. Okay, here they given the 4 option. You have any guess? whom you think whom you think chairman of the National Consumer Protection Council? See the right answer. The right answer, student, option D, central consumer affairs minister. Option D is the right answer. Central consumer affairs minister is the right answer here. Okay friends, now let's move on the next question. The next question is on your screen. The year in which the government of India implemented an act to ensure social justice for laborers was. Okay, try to understand the question properly. The year in which the government of India implemented an act to ensure social justice for laborers was. The options are like this. Option A, 1923, option B 1935, option C 1942, option D 1945. Okay, they given the four options. In which year India implemented the act to ensure the social justice of the labor? See there, the right answer. The right answer is option A 1923. Option A 1923 is the right answer. Okay, students. Now let's move on the next question. The number which you need to dial when you find your 10th classmate getting married during school days is. So try to understand the question properly. The number which you need to dial when you find your 10th classmate getting married during school days is. Options are like this. Option A 1098, option B 1092, option C 1094, option D 1010 is there. Okay. The right answer is, see this. The right answer is, student, option A 1098 is the right answer. Okay. 1098 is the right answer. Now let's move on the next question. The next question is on your screen. Prohibition of female foeticide act was introduced in option A 1975, option B 2006, option C 2012, option D 1994. The question is like this. Prohibition of Female Foeticide Act was introduced in 1975, 2006, 2012 or 1994. Which year we have introduced the act about the Female Foeticide Prohibition Act? The right answer is, students, C. The right answer is option D 1994 is the right answer. Now let's move on the next question. The eighth question is on your screen. Panchayat Raj institution work under the principle of option A centralization, option B decentralization, option C cooperation, option D development. So what do you think? Panchayat Raj institution work under the principle of, among these four, which one? Here they given the four options: centralization, decentralization, cooperation, development. The right answer is option B decentralization. Option B decentralization is the right answer for this question, students. I hope you understood and ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay, now let's move on the next question. See, student, the next question is India promoted disarmament because why India support or promoted the disarmament? निशस्त्रीकरण करने की याक India support ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Option A, India is a peace loving nation. Option B, India is a developing nation. Option C, India has strong military. Option D, India has massive nuclear weapons. Okay, here they given the four options. So among these four, which is the right one, you think? So why India promoted the disarmament? Because India is a peace loving nation, or India is a developing nation, or India has a strong military, or option D, India has a massive nuclear weapons. See the right answer. The right answer is like this, friend. Option A, India is a peace loving nation. So because of this, India always support the disarmament, because India is a peace loving nation from the beginning. Okay, students, now let's move on the next question. The next question is the chief minister of Karnataka during 1970 ushered in a various social reformation. So understand the question properly, students. Once again, I will read the question. See there. The chief minister of Karnataka during 1970 ushered in a various social reformation. Okay, option A Basavalingappa, option B Nijalingappa, option C MD Nanjundaswamy, option D Devaraj Aras. So among these four, the which chief minister who made us lots of social reform in 1970? You have any guess, student? See there, the right answer is option D Devaraj Aras. Option D Devaraj Aras is the right answer. Okay, now let's move on the next question. The next question is the rivers of South India are also called. So what called? See there, the options are like this. Option A west flowing rivers, option B east flowing rivers, option C Himalayan rivers, option D peninsular rivers. Okay, the rivers of the South India are also called what here? Any guess? See there, they given the four option for you. Okay, try to answer the question. See, try guess madi. Okay, I'll tell the right answer. See, the right answer is, student, option D peninsular rivers. Okay, option D peninsular rivers is the right answer for this question. Okay, students, now let's move on the next question. The next question is on your screen. See there, who is the founder of Indian National Congress? It is the most popular question you have heard in many times in previous year exams also. So you should be understood properly. Who is the founder of Indian National Congress? Option A, A.O. Hume. Option B, Lord Curzon. Option C, W.C. Banerjee. Option D, R.C. Datta. Okay, whom you think? I think you found the answer before I tell the options only. So I think you know the answer for this question because it's a very easy question and this question is repeated for many times in previous year exams. Okay, see the right answer one by two. Option A, A.O. Hume. Option A, A.O. Hume is the right answer, students. See there, students. The next question is on your screen. According to Karl Marx, division of labor creates what it creates. You have any guess? According to Karl Marx, division of labor creates option A, less skilled workers. Option B, more skilled workers. Option C, organized workers. Option D, unorganized workers. Okay, here they given the four options. So according to Karl Marx, division of labor creates what? See the right answer. The right answer is option A, less skilled workers. So here, according to Karl Marx, division of labors created the less skilled worker students. Okay, it is the answer for this question. I hope you understood all these 13 questions. Students, please, if you really like my video, please video like adre like button ಒತ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ you should also share to your friends and most important thing is that don't forget to subscribe my channel because in future also I'm going to upload maximum videos on this topic about this multiple choice question social science. Even I have planned to upload the second language English question answer also. Let's see. So even I have planned to even English grammar videos also. Here lots of plan is there, just work is going on all that topic. Okay, soon I'm going to upload all those videos for you students. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video.